We are stuck on the seawall, sheltering from the rain. We are stuck under this little shed. It's a little guard hut
You talk about my wife.
that is at the seawall. We got a little piece of shelter. And we are sheltering from the rain. From our morning walk, the sky was gleamy. Ian didn't want to come because he said it was going to rain. But I'm like, oh, let's go. We can make it. The rain is not going to catch us. Yeah. This is actually nice rain to walk in or to shower in. But it's a long walk home, so hopefully it eases up. This is nice rain to sleep in. Most of the houses, of course, has a zinc roof, like this shed right here. So when you are in your home, the rain is splattering, splashing, hitting the zinc sheet the way it is right now. Man, it sings you to sleep. That's one of the best sleep you could get, especially at night. Yep. Hopefully it ease up soon so we could continue our exercise or morning stroll. One of the beauty about Guyana is the raindrops on the rooftop. The raindrop, look, it's easing up, but the sky is still pretty dark. So either the rain is moving down to a different location, which most likely it is. Looks like it's going towards the Georgetown area. So even though the rain eased up here for us, the rain just like moves to a different location and continues to fall. So, go right there. What? Come in? Oh my gosh, so we decided to ease up enough for us to walk, but it started coming right back down, so we got to go back under our little shelter. Oh.